Good day, Android Studio subscribers. Welcome to my channel. Has been a long while since I uploaded a video. This video is not about programming. I really want to share with you how I feel that Google or YouTube is not YouTube. Uh, AdMob, which is owned by Google. Mm, I feel that they have been cheating on me. Suddenly, it started last year. That's why I have not launched any apps anymore. They are deducting from my earnings a very big amount of what they say invalid traffic. I just showed you the numbers. If you can see it here, uh, May 31 or May 1 to 31, 2019, they're only deducting from me less than $1 of invalid traffic. As you can see here, so I earned for May 2019, I earned $170 from AdMob, and I also have here my earnings from YouTube. And suddenly they have deducted, no, not suddenly, they are only deducting 0.49 cents from me. And let's check with June. So with June 2019, still very minimal deduction for invalid traffic from my and then let's see again. So because of that, I always earn a paycheck every month. But so on July, it's still very much minimal. You can see here 0.33 cents. And let's see what would happen in August. By August, Google started deducting a very big amount from me for invalid traffic. That's really disappointing. Of course, I would still be earning my paycheck the subsequent month because I earned a lot, $199 here from AdMob and a small amount from YouTube. And here they deducted a very big $32 from me for invalid traffic. I thought it's just a one-time off something, but uh, it has been going on for a while. And suddenly, at this point, I did not earn enough to get the minimum $100 to be able to earn to get my payment the subsequent month. So this month is September. I would not earn anything or would not receive any payment from Google by October. So they deducted a whooping $47 from me for invalid traffic. And then so I did not receive my payment from Google for October because of that very big amount. And so I that pissed me off. I started not maintaining my account anymore because it's not worthwhile anymore because whatever I earn would be deducted a very big amount. So I earned $70 from Google for October 1, for October 2019, and fairly decent still, but look at the deduction. It's one third of my earnings already. So I have here invalid traffic. So the net amount I earned from AdMob is only $39, I think. Somewhere $39 for October. And I was hoping it won't happen by November, but look at my November. Although I've earned my paycheck for a very minimal amount, $114. But look at what happened. They kept on doing it. This is not anymore one third of my earnings. Look at my earnings from AdMob, $41. And they deducted, wow, this is almost 50%. Half of my earnings is being deducted from me. Okay. So now this is December 2019. And look at here. This is a curious thing. They have invalid traffic, AdWord ads, 0.10. And another, this is for a specific date. Huh? Look at this. And they have this for the entire month, another section, $22. Almost 50% of what I'm earning. And let's see the current, the last 3 months for 2020. Look at my January. I only earned $24 and they deducted more than 50% from me. How would you live up as a developer with this attitude from AdMob? Why should I use AdMob anymore? I would shift to another ad application because of this. I'm now exploring how to integrate Facebook ad network, or what you call this, maybe it's Facebook audience network they call it. Uh, the point is I'm gonna explore other methods of earning from my application, and I'm, I'm gonna drop this AdMob thing. Google is not anymore fair to us developers. So that's I'm just sharing this so that you will know, for those developers out there that are just starting out. This is what Google AdMob would be doing to you. And I thought this is just a uh, this just relates to me, but I'm gonna be showing you another account that I have with my friend here. And October 2019, the invalid traffic for my friend's account is still less than $1. But November 2019, Google started it on the said account. So this is another account, and so this proves that Google is doing this for to everyone. AdMob is doing this to everyone. So $29 and more than 50%, actually this is 67 or 66% was deducted from this account. This is worst when Google started it. Here, 67% of the earnings was taken by AdMob. I don't know what they mean. They don't explain what is meant by this invalid traffic. Suddenly you have invalid traffic. What caused that invalid traffic? We're not in my case, I'm not touching anything on my apps. I'm not clicking on the ads on my apps, and suddenly I have invalid traffic. So who's doing this? It's just they're I think they're just using this as an excuse so that they can deduct a lot from our earnings as developers. And look at the January 2020. Same thing here. Almost the same thing. Being cheated by Google AdMob here. Deducting more than 50% from a developer's earnings. So this account should have earned the minimum balance to get payout for March. But they made sure that they're able to delay the payment. So if you're a young developer here or a first-time developer out there, I cautioned you from using Google AdMob. You won't earn much from Google AdMob as of this time because they're deducting a lot from your earnings. So thank you for listening. I hope I provided a valuable insight to all Android app developers out there. Bye bye.